Hey guys, Chris here. Today I'm in Northern California and I'm on Jeanette's property, my girlfriend, and I'm going to be setting up a permanent base camp in the woods just downstream next to this creek here. And I brought the loppers and a shovel, got to do some clearing, and I'm going to be setting up my canvas tent. It's a hot tent with a stove in it, so that's next. Alright, there'll be plenty of firewood. And then here's the creek over here. Isn't that great? That's my spot. There's the creek anyways. And then my site for the tent is going to be back over here. And I scoped this out last weekend. I actually cut this pile of willows. Cut them right down. See that? So I'm going to break those up some more, and then this is where the tent could go right here. It's about a 10-foot circle. It's going to go there for the hot tent. I'm really excited about this. It's such a great spot. And over this way we have the footings of an old mill from the 1930s and 40s, and there's a junkyard over there with an old car and beer bottles and beer cans and stuff. Found an old license plate over there a couple of years ago. Isn't this great though? Yeah, we'll have to get this one, take this one down. So I got definitely a lot of work to do right here. So before I got in here, I had to clear the road. There was a tree that fell over the winter, big aspen tree, and just the branches broke, and then there were some willows that had overgrown into it, and so I had to really work at that to get the road opened up. The road is maybe 150 yards long, and then I got about a 3-mile hike down the creek to this spot here. It's definitely got a wilderness setting to it. I'm really excited about that, and we're going to be building up, like I said, a base camp here. I'm going to keep it up for a while, and then I can shoot my videos right from here. That'd be really cool. Do stories. I'm going to build a campfire pit, lots of wood to split, probably make some kind of a bench and seating, maybe a little table out of a log or something. I'm not like a bushcrafter that's going to make a fine coffee table out of pine trees or something, but yeah, I'll have some fun though making this this tent. So anyways, gonna get to work. All right, here's the tent. It's called the White Duck Regatta Bell Tent, and this is not a backpacker's tent. This is like a hunting party tent or for outfitters or something. This is a 7.5 foot center on this tent. It tapers down to about 3 feet around the sides. Got a couple windows. The door is almost 5 feet tall, and it has a stove jack in it, which means that's where the stovepipe comes through, and it comes with a really cool wooden stove. I bought the wooden stove from the company. That's going to be really cool. It's a beautiful stove, and we're going to get this put together. And anyways, Basecamp. Right, comes with this massive mallet here to drive the main stakes in like that. So it's kind of like a circus tent. It's got one big pole in the middle, and then the rest lifts it up, and it stakes out. The midsection stakes out around the outside. So yeah, like under the big top here. It's kind of a circus sometimes. So all right, and this is kind of cool. It's actually shock corded. Look at this. Look at that. And then this is I believe that's for the front door, that one I believe. So anyways, look at that. That's the main pole there. It's like a toilet plunger. Missing a stake, but I found a good alternative. There we go. Perfect. Here's the stove. It's kind of collapsed down, and this is pretty cool. Check this out. It's collapsed down, but you can see the main door here, and look at that. And then the stovepipe, actually they all fit inside here. I have 6 pieces of stovepipe. And when I got it, it was silver. I ran this thing once, and voila, I turned to a copper there. That's kind of cool. Or gold. I struck gold maybe. But let me show you how this works. I keep my gloves with it, which is a pretty good idea. But this is to put extra, like a coffee pot, maybe a skillet if you're cooking on this. Put it out here like this. Also, you can carry it like that, which is pretty cool. So, and then this, the legs just simply open up. There we go. That's it. And then it's got this top. You could feed the wood through the top there like that. And check on your fire. And then the stovepipe. This is called a spark arrestor at the top here. It just catches any sparks, keeps them from, kind of helps to keep them from going into the forest. And then the screen catches some of that as well. So, and then here's a damper on it. this. There we go. All right, pretty cool. Look at that. Get some extra stuff in there. So there's a little adjuster there to adjust things. And if it gets hot, then you can look at this. If it's too hot, you can just lift that off like that. That's pretty cool. And it's got a window on the side over here. Piece of glass. So. And then the little door there and a little opener right there too, so we are gonna have fun with this. So I'm gonna do a quick little fire here. Got some pine needles and some sticks, pine cones. Yeah, this is a great forest for pine needles and pine cones, that's for sure. All right. Look at that. There we go. Beautiful. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Plenty of room in here. It's I'm so used to my 1- and 2-man tents, so this is I can actually stand in this stand up in this tent. It's not huge. This is meant for about 3 people. 2 would be really comfortable for like an extended trip. But yeah, look at, I got windows in the corners here like that, big pockets, put stuff in. I got some big pockets on this side as well. Windows obviously zip up, and here's actually an electrical, like a open up like a jack to put stuff out that way. That's pretty cool. If I wanted to run some electricity out here. But yeah, all right, that's it, you guys. The circus tent. All right, well, thanks for watching. We're gonna do another episode. This is just episode 1 with this. I'm gonna be doing stories down here, and this is gonna be, like I said, my base camp. The next episode, we're gonna be building a fire pit and some kind of a bench or a small table. I found some logs up there that were pre-cut. That would work really good as well. So, and some more work around here. And then I got a really scary story that we're gonna do in the next episode that we're gonna be filming. I'd probably be filming tomorrow. So, all right, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. Keep hiking.